Hello YouTube. It's Sunday morning and I've had just my morning tea and breakfast, and I'm doing something quite special. I'm repairing by stitching my old morning gown. It's color that's been quite worn to trash actually, yes. And now I'm making it a bit more like harder, thicker stitching together the layers of fabric, so it will last next 10 years at least, maybe more. I like things to be worn and old and repaired, and this is gonna be like that. Now I've been stitching the other side, and then I will stitch it again the other way, and it's gonna be fine like this. This is very satisfactory work because you can see what you are doing and you can see the result, and you can have an impact on it. You can use your own brain and do what you want, even if it is just repairing. This kind of repair work is quite an art in, for example, Japan and some other societies that understand the value of time in garments also, and the care you put in your surroundings and things you wear. And so I've got the fire burning in the kitchen oven, and it's outside. It's not really white, but there are white flecks every here and there, and tomorrow we are supposed to get some more snow in the afternoon, but let's see. I'm not always so certain. It shouldn't be yet that the snow will cover everything. Last year it was at this time when it came, the snow, and I have to say that the winter was very, very, very long, especially the January. That was so cold that I'm not going to survive another that kind of January. I'm quite certain of that. It was, the whole month was below 30 centigrade, so freezing cold, and sometimes we have 40 here, 40 centigrade. It's too much. Inside the house there were some 8 or 12 centigrade. Oh God, all the life, waking life, you used to keep warm, to keep the fires burning, and so, and it's not good. I slept well though in the cold weather. No, but no, I hope it won't be like that this. And winter is quite nice when it's reasonable, not too cold, and you can have these little things done, and so I like this kind of a cozy work. I've got some collage coming with quite a different colors now, because I just somehow miss when the snow comes and the world turns to white. I just somehow miss colors. so I use more colors. It's easier to do neutral and grayscale stuff in the summer. But they're just on the way. I will go on with them, and well, I can show you colors like this. And then I'm gonna stitch something and do some writing perhaps, and yes, they're like this bright colors, yellow and viridian and red and blue, and yeah. But that's for later today perhaps. And so this is the morning. Yesterday I had my grandchildren with my son and his family visiting here, and it's wonderful. I like children, and but it's also tiring, and but now I'm okay. It wasn't too much. It wasn't so tiring that I would be quite done with it. No, it was refreshing actually. Yes, very nice. And I've got winter tires in the car. I hope the car will hold my little drivings I need to do. Yeah, I wonder. There are so many things in this world you can't just control, and it's rather, well, you just have to accept that it is like that, because there's nothing you can do about it, really. Of course you can take care of the car and hope it will help it to stay functional, but if something happens, so yeah, no, like that. Then a couple of stitches, no, maybe only one, no, 2 stitches. Yeah, I will have some work here yet to do, but now I'm gonna, wow, now I'm gonna make a knot here, and then start with the new thread later on. That's how it is, and then I put this tail of the yarn there. Whoops, and there it is. That's how it is at the moment. Oh, it's gonna be fine. I'm quite certain. Now we cut this one. Whoops, and so that was that, and maybe I'll do something more today or tomorrow, or when there's something to say. Thank you. Have a nice Sunday, and bye bye.